DFW Real Estate Agents, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming up with Lawyers Title. This is going to be on October 5th. And this is a class that you do not want to miss. And this is Real Estate Re-Energized with REMINE. This is going to be a 2-hour CE certified course. So when you come in, bring your laptop because it's also going to be a hands-on workshop. But I'm going to show you how to go in and set up REMINE. And if you don't know how to do REMINE, that is going to be one of the most powerful things that you can do for your business that is already at your disposal. It's part of the tools and services that you have with your real estate license here in the state of Texas. And I'm going to show you how to go in and take advantage of that. We're also going to sprinkle in a couple little tech tidbits, a couple little tricks that are going to help you to build your business outside of REMINE. So this is a class you definitely do not want to miss. So make sure that you RSVP by clicking on this link below. Sign-ups to save your spot. We're going to be doing this class on October 5th from 10 a.m. to noon. And again, it's going to earn you 2 hours of CE credit. So bring your laptop, and I'll see you guys at Lawyers. Thanks.